Hi everybody, and I'm here in Kleinbaai, and I'm just going to walk you, through to the other side there. It's this beautiful beach. I didn't even know this place existed. I came here for a coffee and then I just walked straight into it, and there's an awesome restaurant too. So it's called Ons Huisie. That means our home. Okay, in any case, well, let's go for a walk. Let's go. So one of the locals told me that, you can just like walk on the beach, and when you get to the other side, apparently there's a park where you can go up. I'm not sure, but I see people walking over there, so that's where we're going. Yeah. It's really a beautiful day today. A lot of people swimming. I suppose you're going to need a wetsuit for that. There are some guys windsurfing. I can't really see from this distance. Yeah, that's a windsurfer right there. Ah. But then also the local warned me that when the high tide comes in, the ocean is all the way up to here, so then you cannot walk here, so I don't know how you get to the side. I suppose you can just go around in the neighborhood, of course. Oh, that's what he was talking about, little parkie. Okay, Kleinbaai. You can see the waves when they come in. It's still wet here. This is such a cool place. Yeah. Look at that. Hang on, I gotta get a short video of this. It's just so gorgeous. Oh man. like a Blue Peter, like a nice cafe or something with a great view. Oh, this is very cool. I love it. Nice. Oh yeah, look at this. A lot of people playing with the wind. Very nice, right? Let me find out if the guy accepts like cards or not. Then I want an ice cream. Oh, if he only takes cash, then my luck's out. Oof, lake. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you? I want a normal vanilla with a flake and hundreds and thousands.
The regular Coke.
Yeah. Okay, so I got my ice cream, but it's still windy, but the people are enjoying it. So thank you everybody for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.